YouTube, I just want to make this quick video. I feel like I'm gonna burp, so you have to give me a minute or two to burp if you want to hear it. Oh, hold on, I don't think it's coming yet. My dad hates it when I burp. Hey Dad! Dad, I feel like I'm gonna burp. I'm gonna burp, I'm gonna burp. Just keep waiting.
Oh my gosh, they should be ashamed of themselves. They're ahead once by 20-something.
Oh God.
They said they were. Or 18.
It's coming, guys, I promise.
They're ahead by a lot, they said. I don't know, I didn't see the whole thing. I see parts of the score. They're ahead by 15.
I'm trying really hard to make it come faster.
Yeah. And then I knew they were ahead by quite a bit.